What would make you wear a helmet? 53 gig video, 30 some odd minutes of somebody's fall, importance of a insured cell phone, GoPro camera which is filming. I don't know what would make us wear helmets, but you could always decorate it up, put a light on it, look a little cooler with mounts, and not that hard to put a mount on by simply peeling off finding a good spot for it. Right here, dead center, swivel mount no less, and just applying 30 seconds of pressure. Well, did I put the right one on? Sure I did. So what would make you wear a helmet? I tell you what would make us wear helmets. Look at the videos online in the world. Just type in that information. I'm not going to say it because, man, when I looked at it, oh man, it wasn't good. So I'm trying to wear my helmet, and yeah, I could put an Insta360 1x3 on. Insta, if you're listening, get Fish at Insta360 1x2 again, or an X3. Or get that 1-inch Leica. I'll be more than happy to review it. So I want to talk about something. Evangeline contacted me. They're an e-bike company, and they want me to promote their company on my channel. And other influencers are doing it. Oh, how sweet is that? I work for this major company, man, and if I wore a t-shirt like this, you know what would happen? You see that door over there that's open? I'll be out that door. Heck, man, everybody's doing it today, and you can get away with it and not worry about it. Walk right by everyone. Nothing's gonna happen, man. Have a drag. I think that's a cool one. I like that. I don't want to lose this. And it turns, so I'm gonna put this like that. Almost looks like a camera. Let's get on out of here, go for a bike ride. Well, I got my light on, as you know. I got to disconnect and move a washer and dryer out for a return. It's an LG washer dryer we bought with the $50 discount on each. I'm not about the icons that go in a square circle that is an end, and it gives a melody which is a high-pitched tune that I could hardly hear, and when I'm in a different room I'm not going to hear it. Or look at the machine and say, what's that code? That they didn't have enough time to put these symbols in the booklet that you get or online, but they want you to watch a YouTube video. LG is supposed to be an efficiency washer and dryer. It is not. Put it on efficiency mode, it extends the runtime. And if you put it on the dryer where it takes the wrinkles out, it'll go on and off until you go to the machine. Not the machines we want. We found a GE profile that we had, and we're going to go get it. So off to Best Buy I am going again. Oh, Stay tuned. I'm going to be setting up a live. And maybe one day I'll go live on that date. If I remember, I want to make sure I put it down for all. So check it on out. It may bring some interest to some. Yeah, we don't wear helmets, knee pads, and rollerblading. And some people don't like you-know-who, Trump. And they do damage. Now, this is a nice car. It is. Really nice. It's a V10. Isn't that made by, you-know-who? Canon? The camera? I guess when you can afford things and luxuries like so, you could do anything. Is that why we don't wear a helmet? We don't care in the world and just do what we want to do? Now that's a nice convertible, a Porsche. Yeah, nice slow bike ride. I hope you enjoyed my talk, my share. Everybody's got an opinion. Post down below what your thoughts are. I know my message. I hope my message got out, and I hope it made a little sense. Don't get upset if I said something wrong. On that note, you know who I am. I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come. Have a great day. I gotta get back to my job, get things going, and off I go. Have a great day. Can't tip my hat if it's tied down. Before I get going, 56 years ago, baby, 56 years.